Introduction to the Hyundai Porest, a compact factory-built camper van from Korea, notable for sleeping up to 6 adults and surprisingly affordable pricing. Stop dreaming about van life and start living it affordably with a fully featured factory-built RV. This is the Hyundai Porest Campervan, a revolutionary compact motorhome built on the sturdy Hyundai Porter 2 truck chassis that provides luxury features, like an expanding room, at a price point that undercuts its European and American rivals. If you are debating between a spacious motorhome and a maneuverable van, the Porest delivers a perfect, compact answer. We'll give you the exact specifications, crucial pricing, and a comparison to its closest competitor, the Kia Bongo-based RV, so you can make the most informed decision for your next adventure. Full Hyundai Porest Campervan. Specifications and price. The Hyundai Porest, a portmanteau of Porter and Rest, is built on the Hyundai Porter 2 extra-long supercab chassis. Its primary design philosophy is maximizing interior space without sacrificing the compact, maneuverable footprint of a cab-over truck. Chassis base and performance. It uses the 2.5-liter CRDi turbo diesel i4 engine, or an electric variant in some markets, found in the Porter 2 light truck, typically producing around 133 PS, 131 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission. It is a rear-wheel drive, RWD vehicle designed for payload, giving it a high center of gravity and a focus on utility over speed. Dimensions, approximate. The overall horizontal length is approximately 5,100 millimeters to 5,230 millimeters, and the horizontal width is about 1,740 millimeters. Critically for parking, the vertical height is roughly 2,920 millimeters, 115 inches. Capacity and seating. The Porest is a 4-passenger RV, capable of seating 4 people and comfortably sleeping up to 4 adults. Interior features and utilization. The interior is separated into a driver, living area, and the main camping area, which features 2 key expanding elements. Smart room. The unique electric rear slide-out extension increases the cabin space by 800 millimeters, over 31 inches, when parked, providing a large rear bedroom or multi-purpose area. Smart bed. A spacious bunk area above the driver's cab provides a main sleeping area for 2. Amenities. It includes a kitchenette, sink, refrigerator, microwave, a convertible second-row seating area that transforms into a couch, extra bed, and an optional independent shower booth with a simple toilet, sink, and mirror. Utilities and tech. The vehicle is equipped with an integrated controller for monitoring freshwater and sewage tank status, battery levels, and controlling the heater/AC. Optional features include solar battery panels for efficient off-grid charging and a mobile app connection via Bluetooth for remote climate control. Pricing. Korean market MSRP. Approximate USD conversion. Entry model, 2-sleeper. Approximately 40,800 to 42,000 USD, 48.9 million Korean won. Standard deluxe models, 4-sleeper. Range from approximately 53,700 to 64,300 USD, 64.3 million Korean won, to 77 million Korean won, depending on options like the shower booth, solar panels, and premium finishes. Note: prices vary significantly based on trim, options, and local taxes. Hyundai Porest versus Kia Bongo-based campervans. The most direct rival to the Hyundai Porest is a campervan built on the Kia Bongo 3 chassis, Kia's twin to the Porter 2. While both share a similar chassis foundation and cab-over design, there are key differences that your viewers need to know. Feature: Hyundai Porest, factory-built; Kia Bongo 3-based campervan, third-party conversion; base vehicle Hyundai Porter; second Kia Bongo 3rd or K-Series, expansion system, proprietary rear smart room, electric 800mm slide out. Typically standard fixed body or pop top, less common to find a proprietary slide out. Integration, quality, factory. Engineered by Hyundai, the camper body is fully integrated, which can lead to better long-term durability and warranty support. Aftermarket conversion by third-party builders, e.g., Chillmobile, cozy camping. Quality varies based on the specific converter. Aesthetics generally has a more modern, unified, and aerodynamic look due to its factory design. Varies by builder, often has a more boxy, traditional camper look. Key advantage: the Smart Room feature is unmatched in this class for creating significant living space while stationary. Can sometimes be found with 4x4 options, depending on the base Bongo chassis, making it superior for aggressive off-road routes. The Porest's main selling point is that it is a factory-supported motorhome, with an innovative, electronically controlled expanding rear room. This feature provides the usable floor space of a much larger RV while retaining the parking and driving characteristics of a smaller Class C vehicle. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss such interesting videos.